Well, I gotta think that that's right there. Oh, I'm gonna get inside.
Yeah, baby.
Shots fired from lanes at 75 mile away. Someone's shooting east using this address. Can't see anyone. Can just hear the shot. I think they're shooting from the road.
I don't see anything yet that's alarming.
We got rotation right there.
Yeah, it's really cold. I'll be in that area in about 5 minutes.
Oh my gosh. It's there. There's a funnel. I see one.
Yeah.
It's coming down. It's trying to. I'd call it the sin.
I don't know if this is like black and they're on or
Yeah, it's coming down.
just a downstream.
Wow.
Tell you something. They're probably busy.
We should probably get in a different location so we can see this a little better in a little bit.
36.
Oh, I'm starting to hit a pretty good hail here.
Hi, this is Washington A36, and we're in Hugo. We're watching
A
a
funnel
fairly
cloud.
significant rotation.
There's a funnel cloud.
Looks as if in Hugo. Back
There's a funnel. Oh my gosh.
Highway 61 and County 8, and it looks like it's starting to form a funnel.
Did she get that
It's just
siren to go?
popping down and going back up again. It is just north of us. Yes, we're just, yep, probably quarter of a mile north. You bet.
All right, let's go somewhere else and try to see this thing. Oh man, it's coming down.
Yep. Oh, look at that. Cool.
Let's go.
Northwestern Washington County is under.
Wait, I see it. It's right there, above the trees. It's rotating.
Okay.
And which we're facing northeast, so that's going away from us.
Mm-hmm.
Must be between us, Mike. They're just calling for Chicago County now. Yeah, because it's pretty dark. So
Did you see anything touch down?
No, there was a funnel cloud that was trying to, but there was no touchdown.
Transport to the west, it is opening up. We actually have sunny skies.
copy.
Canyon Trail at 1514.
Oh my god. Oh, that could be really big. That whole thing's trying to come down. Now,
it is.
it's down.
This trailer to Bobcat in the back.
It looks like it touched down.
We're at the whole parking lot.
It is on the ground. It appears.
Oh my God!
It appears to be back in the bridle path area.
That looks like it's on the ground.
I believe it is on the ground here.
There's someone down there too.
407, I'm in the area.